Hey guys, welcome to Black Diesel Garage. I'm Gabe, and this is my truck Brown Bull I bought in Texas to get me out of a bind. I used it for a while, was a good truck, and then I filled the fuel tanks with water from a filling station because I was trying to get diesel, but the tanks had water in it. So I ended up buying another truck and a whole bunch of stuff. So I'm getting rid of this truck now, and someone's coming to buy it today, so I figured I'd just show you guys the truck before it's gone, the last stage of me having it. And I don't know if you can tell, it looks like it in the camera, but it looks a lot cleaner. I washed it, and I guess there's a bunch of moss or something on it that made it look darker. But it looks pretty good. I'm kind of sad to be getting rid of it, and I think I'm getting rid of it for way too cheap. But I'm working in another state and busy, and this is the only chance I have to sell it. It's 4th of July day, so happy 4th to all you guys, although you'll probably see this way after the 4th. And I'll show you guys the truck. Well, here it is all washed up. The bush guard's off of it, still has the LED headlights. The motor's all washed up. I drove this thing without the glow plugs ever wired up, but I wired the glow plugs back up. It has this flatbed on it that I bought and put on it because it made more sense to have, and it looks pretty good, and I tore up the fender, so put a flatbed on it. It looks pretty good. And it's a real good looking running truck. I really don't want to sell it, but it'll be a long time before I can get to selling this. Probably this winter. I don't need this truck. I have too many. So if I waited, I'd probably get to sell it this winter, and it'd be harder to sell the two-wheel drive dually pickup in the winter. And it'd be nice to have the money for a weld machine or something. 4-speed, two-wheel drive, 6.9 diesel. Well, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Sorry we didn't do much more with this truck on the channel. It just turned out to where I had some problems due to the getting water in it, and then time-wise, since I had to get it fixed, and I'm on the road and it's in Kansas now. So sorry we didn't get as much done to it as we would have liked to and shown it off more on the channel. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. And once again, thank you guys for all the support, all the liking, subscribing, sharing, commenting. It helps us greatly. So thank you very much. And we'll catch you all next time on Black Diesel Garage. See you guys.